Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. Volkswagen prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.